wasn't interested in answering to anyone else other than myself. My husband and I, we frequently traveled a lot. And so we saw like juice bars everywhere. And he suggested that we did it here in the capital region because there were few and far in between. We vibe off of, all of our customers. We have like relationships with them. We know what they want when they come in. That has completely changed. I don't allow anyone in. We do the curbside, but it's extremely weird. It doesn't have the same feel, it doesn't have the same vibe. We're making it work, but this is not what Juice Factory is supposed to look like. I've been praying a lot and, just making sure that I adhere to whatever it is that comes out on the news. You have to do that social distancing for us to become semi-normal again. You have to follow those guidelines, as hard as it may be.